Notice each group is 4x plus 2. And there are 3 groups. So altogether, there are 3 groups of 4, or 12 x tiles, and 3 groups of 2, or 6 ones tiles. Let's look at the same expression without the algebra tiles. 3 groups of 4x, 3 times 4x is 12x. 3 groups of 2, or 3 times 2, is 6. One more expression without tiles. This says 5 groups of 7x minus 4. So 5 groups of 7x. And 5 groups of 4. Now let's talk about the distributive property with a negative number. In our previous example, we saw that 3 times 4x plus 2 was 12x plus 6. The key here is to realize what this means is the opposite of that. So, negative 3 times 4x is negative 12x, and negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Notice that is exactly the opposite of what we had before. Positive 12x, negative 12x. Positive 6, negative 6. It's just the opposite. Let's look at one more example. Negative 5 times 7x is negative 35x. And negative 5 times negative 4 is positive 20. This is the most common error with distributive property problems. Notice plus. Negative times a negative is a positive. Notice that's exactly the opposite of what we had when it was positive 5.